Okay, continuing from the last video, let's practice some questions. Okay, so simple exam sample questions and tasks plus 3 attempts lockout. Okay, 3 attempts lockout, mostly just, yeah, you will have to lock the system out if a user enters 3 wrong inputs, specifically in password or things like that. Okay. So question number 1, an ATM machine locks a user's debit card if they input the wrong 4-digit PIN 3 times in a row. Write a Python program that recreates this pattern using a correct system PIN code of 1234. Okay, so that is correct PIN is 1234. Then yeah, we will just simply create attempts, that is 0, and card locked, that is false. Okay, so if 3 times is just done, then after that, yeah, we will have to count that. Okay, so simple, we will say that we will just simply write here while. We can just write many things. Okay, for example, I'll just write here while true. Okay, or while attempts. Okay, while attempts is smaller than 3. Okay, so you can just write anything. So while attempts is smaller than 3, it means now that is 0, 1, 2, 3. We have to just do those things. Okay, so 3 times. The trick recreates this pattern using a correct system input of 4. Okay, so here simply I'll just simply write here user, okay, or user pin is equal to input or int input. Okay, int input, enter the 4 digits pin. Okay, so that is just kind of it. Now we will check if user, and here if you do not change it to int as well, no problem. Okay, because we're not doing any kind of calculation, simply that is comparison. Okay, if it is equal to correct pin. Okay, correct pin. So simple, here what we will do, we will print access granted or any other message just told inside the question. Okay, and we will just write there break, clear, break, just simply come out of that, access is granted. Then else, if that is just, if it is not correct, then we will just do this. Okay, attempts plus equal 1. Okay, and if it is 3 attempts are done, if we can just write it here and we can just write it outside as well. Okay, if attempts equals 3, it means just or 2. Here we have just gotten 0, it will become 1, then 2, then 3. Okay, if it is just equals to 3, so 0, it will become 1. Okay, then 2, then 3. Then here we will just simply write here card locked is equal to true. Clear? Now we can just simply do whatever you just can. Okay, so if card locked, okay, is true, then equals to true. Then here we will say that, yeah, print your card is locked by ATM, please contact your branch manager, something like that. Okay, so that is just kind of the program for this we just wrote. Okay, and on 3 times simply it will block the card. Okay, and before that, if it's done, access granted. So if I just run this 1 time, for example, I'll enter something else, then yeah, the next time I'll just enter it correct. So access, okay, 1 2 3 4, by the way. is equal to correct pin. 1 2 3 4 why yeah, so simple. I have to change it to int, sorry, because that is not a string there. Okay, there it is. What there it is, integer. Okay, now I can just check that 1 2 3 4 and yeah, access granted. Clear? So that's it. That is what we are just working on. Another question is also there. Okay, let me just comment this out. And the second question is, convert the following logic specification into an Edexcel standard Python block. The program must prompt the user for a password string. If the password is secret123, output granted. Any other value increments a counter. Only 3 tries should be allowed, and the program must terminate immediately if the user inputs exit. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so the correct password is, okay, correct underscore password is secret 123. Clear? Now we will have just count is equal to 0 and system halted. Okay, system underscore halted. For now that is false. If the user enters exit, then system halted should become just kind of true. Okay, so while count is smaller, or while count is smaller than 3, okay, 3 times it should done, and also system halted is not equal to, or is equal to false. Okay, so we have to just kind of do this. User password is equal to input enter password, and for example exit to terminate. Okay, so something like that. Now we will just check if user password is equal to exit. Okay, then in this situation I have to just simply system halted should become true. Okay, I can just put a break as well there, but no need. Okay, because simply if this condition is true, this will be done, and here this will be false. Okay, then else elif. Okay, elif if the that is correct. Okay, if user password is equal to correct password. Okay, in this situation I should just print access granted. Okay, access granted. Else, okay, what should be done here? Else simple count should increment by 1. Okay, so if that increments by 1, if none of them is just true, so if it increments by 1, so count will be just incremented by 1. It on 3 tries this will become false. Okay, even if user has not entered exit to make system halted true, so it will not run anymore. Okay, so that's it. That is just kind of yeah, before this I can just give a message as well. Okay, print incorrect password, please try again. Okay, even you can just say that, yeah, how many tries are remaining. Okay, so that's it. Okay, and in final exam tips, so you just know many of them. Okay, sequence is vital. Always increment the counter inside the else block or right after a failed match attempt, so it stays contextually accurate. Okay, do not forget to just do this. Okay, that is very important. And in Edexcel pseudocode, these nested blocks often appear like this. While attempt is smaller than 3 and logged in is false. Okay, if user then okay, if user is correct user and password is correct password, then set login. Now that is username in password, checking both of them together. Okay, set logged into true, otherwise attempt to attempt +1 and end if. Okay, so that is when you check both username and password. So you can just do that. Try to just write the code for this by yourselves. Wish you all the best, good luck and goodbye. Keep practicing and keep shining, and do not forget to like and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.